G'day, welcome back to some maintenance issues. I'm going to show you how to unblock a toilet without using a plunger. Okay, that's the last resort if I have to use that, and this method doesn't work. There's a clean method where you're not going to get so dirty. So I won't show you too much, but it's just, yeah, you can see all the toilet paper in there, just ridiculous. So I'm going to fill this bucket up with water and throw that in there pretty much at the same time as we flush. Now we've got our water. There we go. I'm going to flush, pour down at the same time. Give it one more go. Both the toilet are fully filled. There we go, toilet unblocked. Won't go too deep in there, but it's a bit messy, but yeah, there we go. Clean, free way of unblocking the toilet without getting your hands too close to it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Oh, please subscribe, by the way. Thank you. Bye.